Epic Live, getting students involved. Teacher and student participation is what makes Epic Live a successful program. My name is Kristen Disney, and I'm going to share with you ways to get your students involved in Epic Live classes. Start talking with parents and students as soon as possible. If you are wanting your student to participate in Epic Live Summer Bridging, start talking to parents when you are sharing spring map and state test results. For Epic Live classes during the regular school year, start visiting with families about Epic Live expectations during the ILP or Individualized Learning Plan meeting. Students will need to know your expectations for attending these classes. These weekly meetings can and should be counted as gradable assignments. Once your student is signed up for Epic Live classes, spend time bookmarking their Epic Live Zoom links to their Google Chrome bookmark bar. I always like to make sure my teacher meeting room is linked there too, so that I can quickly connect with students during online meetings. Spend time making sure that students are comfortable using their Epic issued email account. Student emails consist of their username at epiccharterschools.org. Show them how to access their Google Drive, Google Calendar, and Google Classrooms. Plan to have a few Zoom meetings with your student. Teach them how to join meetings successfully. This is also a good time to go over proper Zoom behavior and etiquette. Make sure that they are comfortable using the tools and the chat box. It is our recommendation that students only be allowed to chat with the host or Epic Live instructor. Please encourage your students to use the chat box appropriately. Have them practice screen sharing their screen with you. Several teachers like to use Kahoots. Make sure they know how to access a web browser to find kahoot.it and be able to find the meeting screen again for the posted question. It would be a good idea to create a kahoot.it bookmark on the bookmark bar. We value the effort you are contributing by teaching an Epic Live class. Getting your students to participate will be the greatest way that you can multiply your effort and time.